To use the analysis tool, first click on a property to open the property details page. Now, click on the analysis button in the top right corner. This pop-up will ask you to fill out 5 categories of information: purchase, mortgage, income, expenses, and sale. Provide as much information as possible for the best results. And please keep in mind that you will need to determine this information on your own. Under purchase, input the type of property, the purchase price, and cost of any improvements. You can even provide a detailed breakdown of the improvements, then click Next. On the Mortgage tab, provide the type of mortgage, the amount, and the interest details. This section is dynamic, so your choices will change depending on the type of mortgage selected. Once all this information has been filled out, go ahead and click on Next. Now you can enter the closing costs associated with this deal, either as a lump sum or a detailed breakdown. Make sure to update this with relevant closing costs for your area for more accurate results. Once this has been filled out, go ahead and click Next. The Income tab asks for monthly income amounts as well as the annual income increase, while the Expenses tab will ask for total monthly expenses as well as the annual expense increase as well. Once again, provide as much information as possible, then click Next. Finally, the Sales tab. This area will ask you to designate the property's starting value, annual value increase, sales costs, tax rates, and depreciation. Once all this has been applied, go ahead and input the term of the analysis either as a year or as a month, maybe even both. Once all the details have been entered, click on the Finish tab to download your PDF reports. The different options include Complete Analysis, Mortgage Analysis, Improvement Rehab Analysis, Rental Analysis, Expenses Analysis, Cash Flow, Taxes and Deductions, and Property Sale. Once an analysis is complete, click Save to store it in your account. You can find these reports later by going to the property details and clicking Documents and Reports, or selecting Analysis again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream.